Hi everyone! Today we're getting crafty and making this beautiful book folded heart, and you'll be able to do this in under an hour. If you'd like to follow along with the directions, you will be book folding in no time. So there are lots of different types of book folding patterns, and this heart is called a MMF pattern, which means measure, mark, and fold. So first we're going to need to find the center of our book. If you're feeling confident, you're welcome to just find the center on your own, or you can look at the page number and divide by 2. So I'm going to be in the 60s here for my book. So here I am in the mid-60s of the book. And then I need to subtract 40 pages. So that's either 20 physical pages or 40 numbered pages from your book number. So let me count back 20 pages. Okay, so this is perfect in the sense that we're going to do the pattern from left to right, and so we need to start on the leftmost side rather than the center. Okay, so here we are on the leftmost part of our pattern, and now I need to get my ruler, my note card, and my pencil. So we just need to mark the necessary marks on our pages, and once we do all the marking, then we will do the folding. Okay, so first when we're looking at our pattern, it says that fold number 1 will be at 8.3 centimeters and 9.6 centimeters. So we gave you this handy centimeter ruler, and it is really important for us to be careful of the precise measurements that they're specifying, because otherwise your heart won't look like a heart. So if it says 10.5, we need to count 5 millimeters or 10.5 centimeters here and mark that. So I don't like moving my ruler all the time, so I pick up about 15 pages of book and then just line up my ruler with the top edge of the paper. So this isn't going to be on 0, it's just going to be the uppermost part of the ruler touching the topmost part of the page. Okay? This note card is to help us see those precise measurements, because I get easily confused and I, miss a millimeter or 2. And so I need this note card to help me keep the measurements straight. Okay, so on this very first page of the pattern, I'm going to mark my first mark with a pencil at 8.3. So let me just find that on the ruler and mark down 8.3. So I just need to make a mark. It doesn't need to be very long. It could be long. Just make sure that you can see it on the edge of your page. And then the next marking is 9.6. Okay, so this is the edge of our heart. Okay, so the ruler can stay exactly where it is because we're always going to be making the measurements from the top of the page down. So now on the second page of our pattern, it says 7.9 and 9.9. So 7.9 and 9.9. Okay. Let's do a couple more. Okay, so as you're making these, you'll probably be able to see the beginning of your pattern on the edge of your book just with pencil marks. That just gives you a rough idea that you're going in the right direction. When you're all done marking all 41 pages, you will mark all of them with 2 marks per page, and then you'll start back at the very beginning and start folding. Okay, so every time we make a fold, it needs to be on a 90-degree angle. So let me demonstrate and explain it to you. So I just need to fold so that it is touching this line or dot that I created. Okay, and so a 90-degree angle to that point will line up with the text on the page. Okay, so to the best of my ability, I'm just trying to make a 90-degree angle. The same thing here is I'm bringing the bottom part of the page up to my line. Okay, and lining it up, give or take, with the text on the page. Okay, so that's one. So this is the easy part. You're welcome to, you know, talk, watch TV, watch a movie. It's kind of mindless at this point. So you want to make a nice crease. If you tighten your crease and, you know, push it down really hard, your pattern, your finished heart won't be very puffy, but maybe you don't want a puffy heart. So if you just lightly crease, your heart will be puffier. Your choice. Everyone's an artist that gets to make their own decisions. So let's make some more right angles. And as you see, it's coming along nicely. This is the beginning of the heart. And when you fold all 41 pages, you will have your finished heart like this. And each and every page is folded and your heart is ready to go. And happy folding!